माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से कृपया आप गांधी नगर ट्रैफिक से ऊपर से शुभारंभ करें। हम सब के लिए प्रोडक्शन आत्मनिर्भर भारत को सिद्ध करते हुए मेक इन इंडिया मिशन के साथ करते हुए ये वंदे भारत अपने बेटे सफर पर चल पड़ी है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का। ये वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन अपने पहले सफर पर चल पड़ी है। प्रधानमंत्री जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और अब हम अनुरोध करते हैं माननीय केंद्रीय रेल संचार एवं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी मंत्री श्री वैष्णव जी से ये ट्रेन की प्रतिकृति ये रेप्लिका प्रधानमंत्री जी को आप पेश करें।
India for a long period had been planning to introduce high-speed rail networks to catch up with the rapidly growing world. But more than the speed and shortening of the travel time, safety and costs involved were the primary concerns. However, the integral coach factory has competently and efficiently addressed both the need and the concerns of the Indian Railways with its indigenous Vande Bharat Express, which affirms the commitment of the nation towards the success of our Honorable Prime Minister's Make in India initiative. In the distinct and vibrant country of India, the Indian Railways have performed as the lifeline for the nation, by not just transporting passengers and goods, but by connecting the entire nation by a common thread and creating a social impact right from the very beginning. Evolving over time by instigating new technologies, the Indian Railways have been bestowing the people of India with a sense of freedom and pride. The Integral Coach Factory has taken up this challenge for the giant leap in rolling out India's first semi-high-speed train set, viz. Vande Bharat Express, which Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji had announced in August 2021.
भारतीय रेलवे भी तेजी से आधुनिक अवतार में ढल रही है और इसलिए देश ने एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण फैसला लिया है। आजादी के अमृत महोत्सव के 75 सप्ताह में, इन 75 सप्ताह में 75 वंदे भारत ट्रेनें देश के हर कोने को आपस से जोड़ करके रही होगी।
Normally, the timeline for manufacturing such trains world over, from the concept to the finish, is 3 years approximately. But the adept team of ICF have achieved this feat in a record time of just 1 year. The Integral Coach Factory is the front-runner and a pioneer in manufacturing world-class rail coaches for the railways and is also the largest passenger coach manufacturer in the world. ICF, being the earliest production units of independent India, has completed its glorious 66 years, producing over 70,000 coaches in over 500 designs, the highest by any rail coach manufacturer in the world. ICF, owing to its inherent commitment and constant endeavour to bestow the best-in-class facilities to passengers in India, takes pride in announcing the launch of the Vande Bharat high-speed trains, which are poised to further boost the travel experience in Indian Railways to comparable global parameters of luxury and speed. The Vande Bharat Express's exterior appearance consists of aerodynamic design to combat air resistance. Driver cabin at each end facilitates faster turnaround at terminating stations. The significant feature of this train is that it is engineless. Instead, it works on the distributed power system and has a basic unit which comprises of 4 coaches which can be made into 8 or 16 coach train with a seating capacity of 1,128 passengers. Alternate coaches are motorized to ensure even distribution of power and to help in quicker acceleration and deceleration. The gangways are interconnected and fully sealed to allow better mobility between coaches and to reduce noise respectively. The train also features GPIS-based passenger information system, bio-vacuum toilets and revolving seats which can be aligned in the direction of travel. The salient features of Vande Bharat train include reach of 160 km per hour speed, riding comfort for passenger rated at 3.2 riding index, equipped with Kavach, the advanced train collision avoidance system, passenger information and infotainment with 32-inch LCD screens in every coach, gangway for contemporary exterior look as well as for free passenger movement, automatic plug doors with sliding footsteps, enhanced aesthetics with FRP interior paneling, corrugated FRP roof panel and indirect LED lighting, air conditioning units with UV lamp for germ-free air supply, emergency alarm push buttons and emergency talkback units, top-class coach control management system for monitoring air conditioning, communication and generation of feedbacks to control center and maintenance staff through GSM and GPRS. Seat handles provided with seat numbers in braille letters to assist visually challenged passengers. Mobile charging point at every seat. Fire detection based on aerosol fire suppression system in all coaches. 4 emergency windows included in every coach. 4 emergency lights in each coach for lighting in case of an electricity connection failure. Mini pantry in each coach. 4 platform side cameras and 2 signal exchange lights outside the coach. Despite the pandemic and supply-related issues from vendors thereafter, ICF, driven by its strong determination, has successfully turned out these coaches as planned. ICF is committed to manufacture 75 rakes of Vande Bharat by August 2023. As announced by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji as a step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Vande Bharat Express with enhanced safety and passenger comfort features will be connecting all the major cities of India and providing the passengers with a comfortable travel experience matching international standards.